Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and this is the Restore Plus tip of the day. So I want to show you how we should sit properly, because most of the time we do things at work and we're sitting all the time. So now, common question that patients ask me is, how do I sit properly? So let me show you how. So most of the time we sit in a chair like this. So this is a usual chair that you can buy from any of the store. So for a guy like for me, I'm 5'8", and this chair is still a little big for me. And if I'm even shorter, this will be too big for me. How do you want to sit up straight is, okay, you want to be sitting with your buttocks all the way to the back of the chair as much as possible, right? So for this, the length of my leg is actually just right. Then so my feet will be touching the ground, all right? But then the backrest is inclined a little bit backwards. So when I actually sit and lean back comfortably, the backrest is actually making my body tilt backwards a little bit, and this is not something that we would want. And what will happen is, if we sit here for, let's say for example, you're typing or sitting here for most of the day, what will happen is you're going to lean back and you're going to start slouching. So how do you want to sit straight? You want to sit back all the way to the backrest, and you want to have a 90 degrees here with your hips and your back, and then you want to sit up straight like this. So with this position, you see a gap here. There is actually a space here, right? Now, this is the perfect way for you to sit with your body straight. Then that means that you actually cannot be leaning back. What will happen is, after a while, you get tired. So one way that you can be more relaxed is if you have a towel roll or a small pillow and put it here on your back, so you can actually kind of lean on it, at the same time be still straight. So that is one thing that you can do when you're sitting in your everyday chair or at your work. And I hope you learned something for today.